Hi, this is Dimple here from Planet-EEdtech, and we are going to be demonstrating to you how do you use this pink tower in a preschool classroom. So when you have a pink tower, first and foremost, how you have your seating arrangement. Roll a mat or a Montessori mat in front of you, either on the table or sit yourself on the floor with the child's dominant hand on your right hand side if you are a righty. And if the child is a lefty, the child will sit on the other side. So when you're starting the work, roll a mat and you start by pulling out the blocks of this pink tower one after the other when you've laid it horizontally and place them in a random order. Once you're done with the placement of removing everything outside, and today we are looking at the horizontal formation or the demonstration of pink tower in a horizontal manner. So we start with the biggest block and we use our palmar grip, that is our thumb and the palms, to hold the big block and start. Ideally, when you have your children sitting beside you, it will be from your left to right for the demonstration's sake so that you all can see it. I'm doing it in from the other direction. As you approach the smaller blocks, start demonstrating with a pincer grip so that you can easily show the children the use of the middle finger, pointer and the thumb to lift smaller objects. For safety reasons, the last two blocks, the 1 inch and the 1 centimeter, can be moved out because it may cause choking hazards if it's not under surveillance and you are not supervising the classroom. In any case, ideally classrooms should be supervised all the while, and children should not be left alone. This is your arrangement of the horizontal Montessori pink tower. Now, you can also teach a lot of readiness concepts like size, shape and dimensions. Along with that, if you place them from the other direction, you can even do the ascending and descending orders. However, one of the most important and initial stage Montessori material that you can introduce to preschool children is a pink tower. Thank you so much and stay tuned for more. We're coming up with a series of Montessori material. Follow us and don't forget to subscribe.